Having good travel products makes cruises, flights, and even land travel better. In this video, I'm sharing the best cruise and travel essentials, including some that are new and improved that I'm packing right now. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I recently got in some new items. I cannot wait to share them with you. They are items that I'm going to be using for my plane travel, other items that I've tried out recently on cruises, and even a couple of fashion finds for men and women. And the best part is all of the items that I'm sharing in today's video, at least at the time that I am filming, they are also a pretty amazing deal. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention two things. First, the links to all of the items that I'm sharing in this video can be found down below in the description of this video, as well as a pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. All right, starting off strong with number one. I love this. This is a clear cosmetic bag, and you have place for your makeup brushes here. So let me show you, which I really like the organization of this. And if you didn't want to put your makeup brushes, and if you want to use it for other items, you can definitely do that too. But I love the fact that this is actually see-through. And of course, if you have less items, you can fold this down, and it really is quite a good size. Now, by the way, this is available in a couple of different colors, but I actually really find that the black and gold, along with the clear look of this, is quite nice. The Zolo Anchor Power Bank. Now, this, by the way, is absolutely phenomenal, but I did pick it up for a specific reason because I already have other portable chargers that are pretty good. But I picked this one up because as airlines are becoming more strict about how many portable chargers we can bring on board and the safety of them as well. And we also have a couple of cruise lines that are actually becoming more strict when it comes to the non-surge protected power cube. This is something you need your phone charged, your iPad, etc. And this actually is super powerful. In fact, I have charged my phone fully on this power bank 3 times so far, and there is still charge left. Oh, and by the way, this one does have the USB-C and USB-A, which is something that I wanted for different devices. Okay, I did it. I replaced my old travel mirror. Now, my other one was fine. It was adequate. However, I had seen that this one was significantly better. I thought, let me see. Let me just give it a try. And that's the thing, right? Companies do improve items, and that's what's really cool. So look at that. You've actually got this stand. Oh, the lighting is really good actually when I put that right in front of me. Okay, so this is just awesome. It still folds up like so. So very easy to put even in your personal bag for the airplane. But just think, you know, when you're in the cruise cabin, sometimes there's really yellow light, especially on older ships. Or in my case, oftentimes it's at the hotel that I just need a little extra something. Now, speaking of flights and cruises, I just got new Level 8 luggage in this beautiful navy blue color. Now, I've been using Level 8 luggage for about 3 years now, and I'm often asked about them. In fact, I've done over 30 cruises in that time, and my Level 8 Voyager collection luggage has gone with me on all of them, which is why I'm happy to be partnering with Level 8 on today's video. Now, this is the Level 8 Voyager collection, which also happens to be my favorite. Now, something that you'll notice is this wide trolley handle. It's not only practical on the inside, but it's also really solid and easy to maneuver and balance as you're walking through airports, cruise terminals, and even on sidewalks and streets. The 4 360-degree spinner wheels are whisper quiet and move effortlessly across surfaces. Now, on the inside of the luggage, the wide trolley handle means that you can get more space inside your luggage to stay organized and pack everything you need. Now, you have an interior compression system, which is great for those of us who are not light packers, and a mesh as well as a dry-wet separation pocket, which is great on the last day of your cruise when you might have a bathing suit that's still wet. Now, the luggage is not only stylish, I have it in the yellow and black, the beautiful Celadon, as well as my newest navy with a little pop of yellow, but it's also solid, light, and durable. And every trip we've had Uber drivers, porters at the hotel, and even a cruise line shuttle bus driver tell us how easy it is to lift and maneuver these pieces of luggage. Now, the set that I have is the 26-inch checked luggage, as well as a carry-on size, which I used recently to travel carry-on only for a 3-day trip. The roomy luggage gave me enough room to bring back souvenirs. Now, Level 8 has an amazing promotion going on right now, and I have an exclusive link for the best discount across the website. I'll leave the link along with my discount code down below in the description of this video, as well as a pinned comment. Okay, speaking of a light and a mirror, I have to show you something that is truly genius, and I didn't even realize it had the mirror component when I first bought it. I actually bought it for this light because this light is, you put this, by the way, this is sort of like a magnet. It goes on the back of your phone, and then you fold this out, and this light would be able to shine like onto your food, or if you are doing any videos, it can shine onto your face, etc. But I really like it because I take some food photos and videos, and this way it's bright enough to take just that food, but it's not so bright that it doesn't light up the entire restaurant, so other people will appreciate that. But also, look at that. When you open it up, you've got a mirror. So you have that right on your phone. Okay, let's shift gears just a little bit because I did want to talk about travel outfits for just a minute. Now, I actually got this travel outfit in this sort of beige color. It's cropped, very comfortable pants, and this top. Now, I do have it in black, and I've worn it before, and people have asked me about it. It is so comfortable, easy to travel with. And if you don't want to have like a legging necessarily, but you want a pant that you can wear during your trip, it is great. And by the way, I got a different style in black, and rather than the sleeveless style, this one has just a little bit more of a t-shirt look. Okay, now I had to show you my new shoes that I just got. They are so cute, but they're really comfortable. I wasn't sure if this sort of jelly mesh, if it would actually be comfortable to walk in, but they really, really are. Now, they are a trending flat shoe right now, but the best part truly is that they're actually cushiony on the bottom and super easy to walk in. Now, by the way, there is another mesh shoe that I have ordered. It has not come in yet at the time that I'm filming this video, so if it does come in, I'll insert some B-roll. But either way, I see that the pricing is phenomenal right now, so I am going to include a link down below, as it really is sort of a trending in-style shoe for this summer. Now, I have a couple of other clothing items, including something for the men a little bit later on this video, but first I did want to talk about this fan. Now, I've shown you this fan before, but something that I realized is there are advertisements all over for this fan now. I've actually been talking about this fan for probably since September of last year, but I figured maybe I haven't given it enough attention because it is my favorite fan. And the reason is that this portion right here is a cooler. So not only are you getting, you know, the air that is blowing, but it actually becomes cold air. It literally is like standing in front of the refrigerator, except that that refrigerator air is like blowing at you. It is very powerful. So if you are traveling this summer, I think this is a must. Now, I did want to show you my new airplane travel pillow. Now, I have tried out, I think, every airplane travel pillow. The only one that I have really not liked is the turtle pillow. For whatever reason, or TRTL, it just is not comfortable for me. I know a lot of people love it, so if you do, let me know. But this one is a new memory foam pillow, and what I really like about it is, I want to be careful with the microphone. Okay, so what I really like about it is the kind of support that you get. So not only is this memory foam, so it's very squishy, very comfortable, but you actually do get that neck support. Let me take this off. That I find that I need with a neck pillow, and sometimes the ones that just go sort of like halfway across, I just don't get the neck support. I can kind of lean, but it's not super comfortable for me. And I am taking a Mediterranean cruise. I am going to share the details of that soon. But I definitely need a travel pillow. Also, this travel pillow that I picked up the one that does come with a little eye mask. So Also really great if you are doing an overnight flight. Now, I do still want to share this one as well, and I don't want to take it all apart. You can see, by the way, both of them really do actually fold up quite well. There's a little bag that comes with it, so I keep that in my personal bag. I have enough room in it, and then later on I just throw it into my luggage once I arrive where I'm going. But this one is really good because it attaches to the headrest of your seat, and it does give you support. And then because you have the eye mask, you actually lean into that. So I find this surprisingly comfortable. And this one is actually Ethan, my son, his favorite. A phone holder for the airplane. Now, I love this one. It is MagSafe, and I just got a new one because I did find that the old one that I had actually took up a lot of room. So look at this. How smart is that? It is tiny, so it actually fits really well in my small bag of travel essentials. The airplane pocket. So yes, I did get this new, but I actually do have it already. So there you go. I got it new because that is a gift to somebody. The airplane pocket, I have to say, is probably like my most gifted travel essential. The other thing is the hanging toiletry bag that I've gifted to people as well, and people just love it. If you have not tried the airplane pocket yet, I'm telling you, once you use it, you will wonder how you ever survived without it. And other people in the airplane are going to ask you about it 100%. Now, the cool thing about it is this goes right over the tray, right in front of you. And then this part here hangs down, and you've got several pockets, big pockets, small pockets. So you can put your iPad in there. You can put a book in there. You can put gum, candy, medication, you know, your earphones, etc. All of that can go in there. And this way it saves you from having to reach into like the pocket in front of you. And I never want to even put my hands in there, just not knowing the kind of Kleenexes and other items that might be there. Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. Now, these are, at least at the time that I'm filming, they are a phenomenal price. And so whenever that happens, I do want to make sure that I share them because this is just not an item that you will regret. Now, look at this, how smart the packaging is. It is thin. It does not take up a lot of room. In fact, my husband just leaves it in his backpack right now. And these fold up like that. So I love the storage, but they are amazingly comfortable and good quality. Sleep earbuds. Now, I just got these recently. And the one thing I will say is they're not inexpensive, but right now, they are very well priced, so that's why I think it's a good time to get them if this is something that you could use. Now, the sleep earbuds are fantastic for hotels, for flights, for cruise ships, even when you have, you know, sometimes those sounds of, you know, the pool deck above or the anchor in the morning when you arrive at port or anything like that. Now, the great thing about these is they really are made for sleep, so even for side sleepers, so they lay quite flat and they are very comfortable. Now, once you download the app, you'll find lots of different sounds from white noise to like stories to light music. It really is quite nice. And the pretty cool thing is for anybody that does have tinnitus or tinnitus, they do have some different masking sounds for that. A jewelry case. Now, some of you might know that I've been using this jewelry case for a really long time. These are both by BagSmart, great company. But this is a little bit larger than I need. So something I realized is I could probably downsize to the smaller size. Now, I like this because in contrast to some of the other jewelry boxes and things that I found, this is flat. So I just find that it can fit in my personal bag and it can fit like even in my luggage if I want to put it in that zipped pouch. It's really good. And honestly, it does really have everything that I need for travel. Now, speaking of jewelry, I love to share good quality travel jewelry when I find it. I love this. This is a tennis necklace that has a graduated style, which I do find particularly nice. And the good thing about this one is it doesn't flip over, which is great. Now, I have it in this yellow gold. I wore it on a recent cruise on sort of the formal or dressy night. But I just picked it up in the white gold color as well. And I don't even know which one I like best. Please let me know, do you like the yellow or the white better? Okay, now this one is for the guys. Ethan just got this great button up light knit sweater. he really likes this style because it is great, you know, for the day sometimes, you know, with a pair of pants or even with a pair of shorts, but also for the evening, like to go to any of the restaurants or the dining room. It just looks a little bit more elevated, but it still feels casual with that sort of polo style collar. Oh, and by the way, if I see any other clothing items for guys that Frank or Ethan have that I know are really good and they are on promotion, I'll include them in the links as well. Now, I do want to share with you some of my favorite items from the last few months. One of them is this swimsuit. Now, it is a strapless swimsuit, and you know the way they say if you like something, buy it in different colors. So my original strapless swimsuit was black. I have worn it a lot over the last year or so, but I enjoyed it so much and thought it was so flattering that I got it with the shells. I thought that was very cute for Caribbean, and I got it in this beautiful brown. Now, I was actually planning to use this before I made this video, but I did not yet. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun. Now, I got it in the deep bronze, but there's also the light bronze. I read all of the feedback about it, the reviews, and a lot of people say that the deep bronze actually gives you more color than the light bronze, which is something that I want to do. So it is especially for my legs, because something that I did realize is that sometimes, you know, my face might get a little bit of sun, or maybe my arms, but my legs usually don't. And by the time I go on a cruise, I realize my legs are really much too white for sometimes like bathing suits or even short dresses, more than I want to. So in any case, this gets amazing reviews, so I did want to share it here. A stylish perfume atomizer. Now, I have this one in 3 different shades, and actually a few years ago I had a different style, and that one worked as well, but this one is actually so much easier to fill up, and I just find it really quite stylish. And something that occurred to me is, you know, it does fit liquids in it. So even if you don't want to use it for perfume, if there's another type of liquid that you want to use inside it, that would work too. Okay, let's talk travel-sized toiletries or beauty items. This is the Estee Lauder Night Repair. Now, if you have not ever used this before, even in the regular size, it is really good. I know sometimes, you know, the brand name product is just not that amazing and not worth the price. In this case, I genuinely think it is, to the point that I've actually given it to some of my girlfriends for their birthdays. It is that good. And I've even put it on Frank's face before going to bed sometimes, and he loves the feeling. It is really that good. In any case, this is a travel size, and like I mentioned, the items that I am sharing in this video, at least at the time that I'm filming it, they are a great price. So I am going to leave all of the links down below. Now, I did also want to mention, just in case for anybody who does not have these already, or even who's looking for a little bit of gift giving, is hanging toiletry bags. Now, this one is by BagSmart. It's available in, this is size large. It's available in medium and in large. I have them both. The large is really good for a family, I would say, or for longer travel. And otherwise, the medium size is honestly fantastic as well. Now, if you are somebody who packs lighter, this is going to give you everything that you need. It's by the brand Tripped. It is an excellent quality. And packing cubes. If you have not picked up the packing cubes that you need for your travels, this is the time to do so. I'm going to leave my favorite packing cubes linked down below. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite travel essentials? And are there any items that I should be trying? Please do let me know down in the comments below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.